Hi! Here is the app magnets. I bought it from Deal Extreme, and you can use it for your fridge, for example. It has I think it's 18 magnets, and they are like the icons on your iPhone. So as you can see, you have the phone, the email, the map, your calendar, the weather, clock, camera, etc. Just gonna pop them out and see how they work. Quite nice actually, a little bit fun. And here's the rest. Here I have a postcard. I'm just gonna check how strong the magnets are. Yeah, it's working, no problem. And I have one more postcard, quite thick as you can see. Slippery. It slips down. So I'm gonna put two. Three. 4. Come on. I need 4 of these to hold these 2 postcards up. So the magnets are not that strong, but they are maybe a little bit fun, maybe a little bit cute, I don't know. So now I'm gonna put this rest up on my fridge and put up some photos, etc. As I told you, they are not that strong. So if you have a piece of paper or a menu like this, there's no problem. The problem is when you're getting like wrinkled postcards that are maybe 300 grams in thickness. So here they are, Deal Extreme iPhone fridge magnets. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you see you soon again. Bye bye.